kitchen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Mancave Kitchen. Today, we are going to be doing a simple beef and rice. For this recipe, you will need 1 pack of some kind of steak meat. I prefer to use this. This is sizzle steak. You can get it from Walmart. It's a real cheap steak. It's only it's less than $8 a pound. And this here's a 10-pound pack, so we got about 1.38 pounds of meat. Then you will need a box of onion soup mix. We're going to use both packs for this, and I'll show you how we're going to turn this into a gravy for it. And then, of course, your rice. Just minute rice, do you just fine. But anyway, that's all you need for the recipe. You can also get like French onions, or chop up some onions for this. I just don't have any of that right now. Also, I recommend getting some mushrooms for it. It's really good. But yeah, this is the bare essentials of what you need to make it, so we're going to do that. So here we go. Okay, so here we have the onion soup mix, and it says 4 cups for blah. Okay, so here we have the onion soup mix, and it says 4 cups per pack, but this here is 4 cups of water. We're going to add 4 cups to both packs. A little bit more in there. And that's actually, yeah, that's 4 cups worth of water for both packs. And then we put that on the stove. Okay, so here we have our steak, or our beef rather. Now this recipe, you can actually just make it with ground hamburger if you want. It's that simple. But I like using beef like this. And what we're going to do is, since we have the beef, we are going to take and we are going to cut it into strips. So we're going to move this over. What I like to do is I'd like to take 2 slices at a time, and we cut it into strips about like that. About 1 inch wide. Doesn't have to be perfect. Should wind up with it all cut into pieces, nice strips like that, about like so. Okay, so now we have our steaks done. Our steaks all cut up, so we're going to take and just kind of throw them in there. Turn the heat up. And I think we'll be able to fit all this in there. bada boom. There we go. Alright. So you get your steak in there in the skillet, and you're gonna just cook it till it's nice and brown. So right now you see, ain't doing too good, but we'll get that fixed up in a jiffy. Alright, so while that meat's cooking, you want to make sure you're stirring your onion soup mix over here, your onion soup, and your rice water should be good. For this, I always make enough for 2 cups of rice, but you can always do more. But our rice water is nice and ready to go. So there's 1 cup. And 2 cups. Easy peasy, man. Easy peasy. And normally, I try and use a fork for this. Alright, the rice is coming together. So, boom, we turn that off. And a staple around here, we always add a little bit of butter. I always do about a tablespoon or so for a 2-pound batch of rice, but since we did a little bit more than 2 pounds, or for a 2 cup batch of rice, since we did a little bit more, there's a little extra butter. Butter on rice is real good. We love it around here. It's the good stuff that makes the rice real tasty. Just mix that in there, like so. And we are going to season with, and we're going to season with a little bit of garlic salt. And yeah. Okay. So a little bit of garlic butter rice right here. A little bit more in there. You don't want to overdo it with the salt. Salt's really easy to overpower stuff with, but that thing's looking good. Keep this stirred right here and you'll be fine. Okay. Okay, after a while, when your meat's done cooking, you're going to add the onion soup to the beef, like so. And once done, you simply top the rice with your beef. And make sure you pour plenty of gravy over it. Just bite. Let's see how it is.
That's really good.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Alright. 5 stars again. Y'all try this recipe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like it. Anyway, this has been the Man Cave Kitchen. Y'all take care. Peace.